Hello, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Welcome to XCL Tribe. So it's a channel designed for Excel professionals. And by Excel professionals, I mean anyone who spends almost every day working with Excel or who relies heavily on Excel to deliver value in his role. In this channel, I will therefore be covering mostly advanced stuff, so advanced formulas, data visualization, VBA, how to use AI effectively, how to organize your macros, and so on. So I hope you'll find it useful. I think you will if you are serious or if you are committed, let's say, in mastering Excel and staying ahead of the curve in these changing times. Well, I hope you'll enjoy the channel. I'll try to keep it as engaging and fun as possible. And I see you in the next one. Bye-bye.